Well students, topic of the video is trigonometry. In last videos on this topic we discussed some MCQ sums on trigonometry. This is another sum. This is a matrix match type. Matrix match type means there is a sums on column 1 and there is answers on column 2. You have to match these to this. Okay. The first sum. So first sum is if tan a plus b equals to 45. So a plus b is equals to 45, then tan a plus b is equals to tan 45, and tan a plus b is equals to tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b is equals to 1. So tan a plus tan b is equals to 1 minus tan a tan b. Then 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan b is equals to 1 plus tan a, 1 into 1 plus tan a, tan b into 1 plus tan b, this one is tan b plus tan a tan b. So you see that tan a plus tan b is equals to 1 minus tan a tan b. Tan a plus tan b is equals to 1 minus tan a tan b. These two cancel each other. This answer is 2. So option A is 2. So there is option A. Okay. In the next sum is next part. If a plus b plus c is equals to pi, that is 180 degree, so a equals to pi minus of b plus c. So cos a equals to cos of pi minus b plus c. So cos a can be written as cos a is equals to, given that cos a equal to cos b cos c. Cos pi minus theta is cos theta. So cos pi minus theta is minus cos theta. So minus cos b plus c. So cos b cos c minus of cos b cos c minus sin b sin c. So cos b cos c minus cos b cos c minus minus a plus sin b sin c. So cos b, this cos b cos c add to this one, so it one becomes 2 cos b cos c equals sin b sin c. The minus cos b cos c in the left hand side, also plus cos b cos c. So added of these two is 2 cos b cos c. So sin b sin b sin b sin c divided by this one. So this one becomes 2 cos b cos c by sin b sin c is equals to 1. So 2 cot b cos c is equals to 1. So 2 cot b cos c equals to 1. This one is option B. In the next part, The third part is see tan A minus B by tan A plus sin square C by sin square A is equals to 1. So this one can be written as sin square C by sin square A is equals to 1 minus tan of A minus B by tan A. So sin square C is equals to, or sin square C by sin square A, this one equals to 1 minus tan A minus B can be written as sin A minus B by cos A minus B. Tan A can be written as sin A cos A. So sin square C by sin square A is equals to cos A minus B sin A. This one is sin A cos A minus B minus cos A sin A minus B. Cos A sin A minus B. Okay, this one is cos A sin A minus B. So see that sin A cos B minus cos A sin B formula. So this one becomes sin square C by sin square A is equals to sin A minus B, A minus of A minus B by cos A minus B sin A. This is cancelled from the side. So this one becomes sin square C is equals to sin of A minus A plus B, minus plus minus, minus minus plus, cancel each other, and this one is sin B, sin A, this one is, there is sin A, by cross multiplication this one is sin A by cos A minus B. So sin A sin B by cos A minus B. Now we have to find tan square C. So tan square C is, to find tan square C we have to find cos square C. So cos square C equals to 1 minus sin square C. So 1 minus this one sin A sin B by cos A minus B. So cos A minus B minus sin A sin B by cos A minus B. Cos A cos B, cos A minus B is cos A cos B plus sin A sin B minus sin A sin B by cos A minus B. these two cancel each other. So sin cos square c is cos a cos b by cos a minus b. Sin square c is sin a sin b by cos a minus b. Therefore tan square c is equals to sin square c by cos square c. Sin square c is sin a sin b by cos a minus b. Cos square c is cos a cos b by cos a minus b. Now cos a minus b, cos a means cancel each other, sin a sin b by cos a cos b, this one is tan a tan b. So this one is option C. So it is obvious that rest of the terms, that is D, option 2, 0. Not due to this sum. So final answer is A match to 2, A match to R, B match to P, C match to Q, and rest of the matching is D, obvious match with S. This is final answer. In the next video on this topic, we discuss few more sums on MCQ of trigonometry.